Hi, today we are going to discuss Babar Azam T20 records. Babar Azam is a Pakistani cricketer who is known for his excellent performances in all three formats of the game. Here are some of his T20 records. In men's T20I player rankings he is at number 4. Fastest to reach 2000 T20I runs, Babar Azam reached the milestone of 2000 T20I runs in just 52 innings, becoming the fastest player to achieve this feat. Most T20I runs for Pakistan, Babar Azam is the leading run scorer for Pakistan in T20Is, with over 2,000 runs to his name. Highest T20I score by a Pakistani, Babar Azam scored 122 runs off just 59 balls in a T20I against West Indies in 2018, which is the highest individual score by a Pakistani in T20Is. Consistency in T20Is, Babar Azam has the highest batting average in T20I cricket, with an average of over 50 runs per innings. Top-ranked T20I batsman, Babar Azam has been consistently ranked among the top T20I batsmen in the world and has held the number 1 position in the ICC T20I rankings for batsmen. Overall, Babar Azam is one of the most talented T20 cricketers in the world and his records in this format speak for themselves. Subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for that sort of cricket updates.